Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer and welcome to my 50,000 subscriber silver giveaway. May the best stacker or the luckiest stacker win. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited for this giveaway. I put a lot of time and thought into this one, so hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully the winner is going to, actually, I know the winner is going to enjoy these prizes. Now, I only wanted to pick one winner, and that's because I wanted someone to feel like they won a lot. Usually when I do giveaways, if I pick 3 or 4 people, I can only give away an ounce or 2. I want this person to feel like they hit the lottery. And sorry, I live in downtown, so you're gonna hear a lot of trains, you're gonna hear a lot of cop cars, you're gonna hear a lot of everything. So excuse that noise, but anyways, let's jump into this. So first things first, you see this plaque, right? And this is a special plaque. Now, YouTube, once you hit 100,000 subscribers, gives you the play button, the silver play button. Well, when I hit 50,000, my moderator, Joker's Wild, made this for me. And it is a 50,000 subscriber plaque reward, and it says Silver Slayer on it. He made that personally for me. And shout out to Joker's Wild. I cannot thank you enough. That's so special. And I wanted to show that because this is the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. And you know, how perfect, how much, you can't not put that in the giveaway video, right? And behind that, you can see that we have this Capcom literal game system. It's Capcom. It has Street Fighter on it. It has everything on it. And I play this all the time. It's awesome, and it does have something to incorporate with the giveaway. I'm not going to be giving this bad boy away, but you'll see what I mean in a second. And in the background, you can see we have some really cool stuff. This is actually my apartment. I try to make my apartment look a little bit of I don't even know what you would call it, unique, because I am a unique type of person, and hopefully you guys enjoy the background. So let's jump into some of the prizes. Now, you're gonna see a couple of different things that I've never given away some of this stuff. I've never given away some of the stuff like this, and I wanted to because it is in celebration of 50,000. So what a better time to, right? So first, I wanted to show you guys something. Now, I collect comic books. I have tons of comic books, and I was born in 1992. And my name is Silver Slayer for a reason, not Gold Slayer, not Gold Guru, not Bitcoin Boy, not Bitcoin Bandit, not Gold God, nothing. It's Silver Slayer for a reason. Well, how perfect would it be to give away a Silver Surfer comic book that was actually made in 1992? This thing is so cool. It has all the comics. It's probably pretty rare. I would hold on to this bad boy. So this is something that I wanted to throw into the giveaway as well. So that's the first prize. Now, the second prize is this. Now, the 2021 was a very controversial year, especially for Eagles, because the US Mint ran out of Eagles. There's a limited mintage on the Type 1 and Type 2 Eagles. So I wanted to do something different. I wanted to throw in a 2021 BU Brilliant Uncirculated Type 1 Eagle. So someone's going to be getting this, and it could be a very controversial coin that could grow a premium just because there is a limited mintage number, and the US Mint actually came out with an article talking about how there is a mintage or a low mintage of these coins. So I wanted to throw one of those in there as well. Now, you guys know that I love pandas, right? I love pandas. Pandas, for some reason, they're so unique, highly collectible. I think that they look the best out of any other type of coin. and I have tons of pandas. So I always give away pandas in my giveaway. So I wanted to give away a 2019, hold on, I have the other prize in my hand. I wanted to give away a 2019 BU Brilliant Uncirculated Panda. There's 2 pandas on it, pretty collectible. I thought I would throw that in there as well. I also wanted to throw in a 2015 Panda, Brilliant Uncirculated. This one is pretty controversial because, as you can see, it doesn't have an ounce on it, right? This is the first year that, or this is the last year that pandas were made with 1 ounce. After this, they used 30 grams. So this is a very controversial coin as well, especially since it doesn't show the weight on it. How weird is that? Every other silver coin that I've ever seen in the world always shows the weight, but this one doesn't. So I wanted to throw that one in there. And then we have the Shebang. Now, this, I never thought I would give this coin away, right? This is one of those coins that I debated, I thought long and hard, but I did it anyways. This is a coin that I bought probably 4 months ago, and when I saw it online, I instantly knew I had to have it. I had to. Now, if you guys don't know about slab coins, MS70 stands for mint state, and 70 is the highest, is literally the highest condition you can get. 70 means it's flawless, perfect, under a magnifying glass, a microscope, a telescope. It's flawless. So every graded coin, 70 is the highest. Well, PF stands for proof. So that means that it's proof, meaning it's even more rare. There's less of them. Well, this coin is a PF70 Ultra Cameo. 2 dragons. A 2018 Great Britain. PF70 Ultra Cameo 2 dragons coin. This is one of the most wicked coins I've ever seen in my life. Dragon coins always do good. This is a PF70 Ultra Cameo, so it's not just the gem proof, it's not just the MS. This is a proof version of this coin, and I mean, I just think it's one of the best looking coins in the world. I honestly do, right? There's a Queen's Bee series, there's the Dragon and Phoenix, but this coin, for some reason, especially once you see it in person, the winner sees it in person, you'll know what I'm talking about. The proof on this coin looks crazy because it's not the dragons that are proof, it's the backdrop, and then the dragons pop out because the dragons are what has that unique finish on it. So this coin looks absolutely wicked. And plus, it's a PF70 Ultra Cameo. So those are the prizes. We have 4 ounces of silver and the Silver Surfer, I guess you would call it, comic book. I can't thank you guys enough. I hope that the winner enjoys all these prizes. Even if you didn't win, which most of you didn't, I hope you still had a fun time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that, you had a fun time hanging out in the comments with everyone. I'm about to pick the winner, by the way. I still haven't picked the winner. I wanted to show off the coins first. Hopefully, you haven't got bored enough. Hopefully, I've been able to entertain you enough until we get to the drawing. So we're about to do that now. I'm going to jump over to my computer screen and we're going to go into the winner. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are about to announce the winner of my 50,000 subscriber silver giveaway. May the luckiest stacker win. I know you all have been eagerly waiting, patiently waiting. I'm sure all of you have your fingers crossed. I'm sure all of your heart rates are probably at a level where you should be at the hospital right now, because I know all of y'all want those beautiful prizes. And you know what? It's not even about the giveaway. It's about the community. It means that we're growing stronger than ever. We're already at 52,000. I mean, how amazing is that? How beautiful is that, right? When we started, a channel reaching this many subscribers was unheard of. It wasn't a thing. It wasn't possible. None of us thought that a channel could grow to this level. But guess what? We're here. So let's jump straight into it. Let's push paste. Now we're going to filter duplicates. We're going to do it on a specific text, which is hashtag Slayer50K in all capitals. And then we are going to, make sure everything's correct. Include replies to the comments. Add extra entry. Nope. Okay, so get YouTube comments. That means there's 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 9, 1,000, 11, 12, 13. Wow. 1,700. 1,742 comments or entries. This is one of the, if not the biggest giveaway we've ever done. So you have a 1 out of, I mean, the odds are not in your favor, but guess what? Guess what? Around here, the possible or the impossible is possible. So with that said, let's choose the winner. So let's do it. So 3. Well, hold on. We can't just jump into it that fast, right? Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for your name to be called? Okay, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1, start. And the winner of my 50,000 subscriber silver giveaway is Coach Cleats. He says, prayers, bro, hashtag Slayer50K. Coach Cleats, you are the winner. Congratulations, everyone in the live feed. Say congrats to Coach Cleats. Hopefully everyone is a good sport. Hopefully everyone, is congratulating him. I know that most of you haven't won, but guess what? I do tons and tons and tons and tons of giveaways. So guess what? You still have a lot of more opportunity to win more giveaways. I've been doing giveaways for 6 years on this channel. I've given away tens of thousands of dollars worth of silver, and one day you're probably gonna win because I'll be making YouTube videos till the day that I die. So just stick with it. Congratulations, Coach Cleats. I'll be hitting you up. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I really do appreciate all the support. I appreciate everyone that likes every video. I appreciate everyone that comments and shares the videos. It's just a beautiful thing. I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. I really, truly can't thank you all enough. The only way I can is by giving back and making these videos that hopefully you all enjoy. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Congratulations, Coach Cleats. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.